Let's break down some news and what it means for really great people just like you. Last week, we saw headlines all over America and social media and the evening news about the Trump administration capping the maximum amount of interest rate that credit card companies could charge consumers. When I first heard this news, I thought it was good. I thought it was movement in the right direction. In fact, I even reposted it on Instagram. Then I got to sit back and think about this, and as an 18-year mortgage professional, first thing that came to mind was this actually isn't great news. You see, the majority of America right now is leveraging credit card debt to survive. What this is going to do to the majority of Americans is impact their credit score severely. How? Let's look at it this way. So your credit score is based off of 5 factors, but 2 main factors. The first, your payment history. That's 35% of your score. The second, your balance to limit ratio. What the credit card companies are going to do to offset their risk or to adjust for risk is they're going to most likely right away reduce the maximum limit. So if you have a $4,000 balance on a $10,000 limit right now, you're okay. Your credit score really isn't impacted that much. But if they adjust the limit down to $5,000, you now have a maxed out credit card, which isn't good for your score. The other thing credit card companies are going to do is they're going to get rid of annual reward programs. They're going to charge higher annual fees. And then the last thing, which is going to impact consumers negatively, is they're most likely going to raise the minimum payment. That's going to get them to pay off the debt quicker because credit cards are unsecured debt. This is facts, and this is the reality of what may happen. I always give a real quick week over week mortgage rate update. 30-year rates are down just a tad from about 6.125 to about 6.09 week over week. That's a national average. If you want to learn more about any of this, just DM me and I'm happy to have a conversation with you.